In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the bit on a Makita jackhammer. So I got a Makita jackhammer here. We're using it to cut through some asphalt and concrete to build a fence. And in order to put the bit on, it's pretty easy. It's a simple process. I just wanted to show real quick. Let me get out of the shadows. So the way this jackhammer is built, most of them are like this. You have a bit that's, about 1 foot long, depending on the type of chisel and the length. And it is held in by this metal rivet right here, connecting into this latch. All right, so this is what the bit looks like. It's about 1.5 foot long. I think this is 1.25 inch hex bit. This is the chisel. And you lift this up. It pivots about 45 degrees and you pull this out, and that is the full bit. So removing is pretty easy. Installing is the same way but reverse. You take this hex end of the bit, put it in, and then you close that. And then the way the jackhammer works is it uses hydraulics to bang this back and forth so you can pierce through your hard surface. All right, that's simple.